Hello and welcome back. Lower back issues are a commonplace in the modern world. Our upright seated posture for pretty much carrying out anything in our lives, work, driving a car, dinner table, everything is upright, sitting on a chair. Thereby, there is a vertical pressure one against the other, against the entire length of your spine and emanating across every part of your back muscles. One of the best remedies for the tightness, stiffness, compression in your lower back is to bring the spine to horizontal. And today we will focus on a practice based on bringing your spine horizontal. So we will be on our hands and knees, and this way we are looking to gradually build counterposition to what causes us to feel that pressure. When we are upright, this gravity is the worst enemy. And when we are horizontal, the gravity suddenly becomes our best friend. So grab a blanket and I will meet you on the yoga mat. For today's session, grab a blanket. So we're going to be on hands and knees. So we'll be using our palms, wrists, knees. And if you have a hard surface under your yoga mat, it can feel a little uncomfortable. So best to have a little blanket. Now, if you can't find a blanket, grab a pillow, anything that you can use for padding through your knees. This way, at least you are focused on your practice, not on the discomfort. So place a blanket down and come down onto your knees. Spread your fingers, very important to open up through your palms and spread your fingers. Create a nice space so that your palms and your knees are forming a nice rectangle under your body. Go ahead and begin to flex through your spine. So drop your belly, lift up through your chest, open up through your collarbones, and then as you exhale, crown of your head pointed down, open up through this space between your shoulder blades. Drop your tailbone down. So you're creating this wave-like motion with your spine. This is worth its weight in gold. Inhale as you flex your spine back, and exhale as you extend it down. This is one of the best remedies for tightness in our back body, discomfort that we face because of our upright stance or poor posture. And come back to center. Good. Continue. You can always pause this video and continue this if this feels right for you. Adding a little bit more difference to that. Now my left palm, fingertips are pointed forward. The right palm is turned back in space. So I'm creating this unique way to open up through my arms, wrist, and creating a little spiciness and just rolling it front to back, maybe an inch, half an inch. You don't have to go as far as I'm going here. I'm going to switch the arms, right palm facing forward, left arm turned back, and just gently rolling it. Again, if this is too much, always skip it. And back to our cat-cow stretch. Now, so we'll add a little bit more to that. So we on hands and knees, left knee down, and slide your right leg back in space. Begin to roll front to back. This is a wonderful stretch for the back of your legs, but here is where we are creating a little bit of a intensity. Pick up that right leg, hips level, pick it up, and the left arm reaches out like you're reaching forward. Body is in a nice horizontal plane. Left palm down, right knee to the mat, and switch sides. Right, left leg slides back and begin to roll front to back. Whenever you're ready, hips level, left leg reaches back, right arm reaches forward, firm up through your navel. So squeeze that belly button in. And right palm down, left knee to the mat, and give your arms a quick moment of relief here. Loosen up your arms, shoulders. So the investment that we do with our hands and knees is going to give us a better quality of life when we are upright, when we are actually using our lower back or back body. So this is all investment towards having a better quality. Back again onto hands and knees, plant your palms. Now, position the right palm along the center line of the yoga mat. Straighten up through that arm. Rotate the torso. So we are allowing the torso to face the left side. And then the left arm just opens up. Turn your head and see if you can gaze at your left thumb. It's a wonderful way to find rotation in your spine, in your muscles along the side body. Good, nice work. Left palm down, back again to hands and knees. Now, same thing on the other side. Left palm along the center line of the yoga mat. Make this left arm straighten, turn the torso, and the right arm just points up. And release. Right arm comes down and back to tabletop position. Inhale, up cat, and exhale, down cat. Good. Now, previously we did that ab stretch. We'll add a little bit more spice to that. We'll see how we fare with that. Now, this time, go ahead and slide your right leg back. Pick up that right leg, bend your right leg back in space. So you're lifting up through that back knee. Left arm starts forward and then reach that left arm back to meet your right foot. Rotate the torso and kick the foot into the hand as you keep lifting up through your right leg. Actively creating a dynamic opposition. The foot is kicking into the hand is actively drawing the foot back. And go ahead and release. Left arm forward, right leg back. Reset, knee down. Same thing on the other side. Right palm down, left leg back. Pick up that left leg. Right arm starts forward. Make this big arc. Right fingers meets the left foot. Remind yourself to lift that knee high and kick the foot back like you're kicking a soccer ball. And release. Left arm forward, right leg back. Reset and knee down. Good. Take a breath in, long breath out. We'll continue with adding one other posture. So go ahead and bring yourself back again to hands and knees. Slide that left leg back and out. So at this point, the foot is planted firmly down. The knee is pointed forward, the fingers are forward, and you're creating this gentle opening in your left hip. And slowly bring that left leg back in space and switch to the other side. Right leg goes back, right foot to the outside. Try not to crash into that right knee. The weight is evenly placed across your palms, that left knee. And slowly come back to hands and knees. One of the best investments for stronger muscles in your back, healthier muscles, is to build equal capabilities in your core. So go ahead and bend your knees, cross your shins, and bring your feet up and off the mat. Gaze is forward. This is called half plank. So this is creating that intensity to build strength in your abdomen. And just breathe here. We're not holding breath ever. And go ahead and drop your knees and release your arms and come back to Vajrasana position. Good. So take a moment and sit up on that. All right. Now find a nice, comfortable, upright seated position. Relax your shoulders, relax your arms. Allow the body to assimilate the benefits of your practice. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. Thank you.